Hey guys, welcome back to the 704 Exotics YouTube channel. As you guys just probably heard and saw, here is our beautiful 2016 Porsche GT3RS in this gorgeous ultraviolet purple color. As you guys can probably tell from the driving footage and just listening to it, this isn't your regular GT3RS. So this car actually, it does have a Fab Speed Exhaust, which is why this thing sounds absolutely insane. This thing at 8,800 RPMs just sounds incredible. There's really not a lot of cars that can really even compete with the sound and the exhaust note that this car produces. So this GT3RS does put out 500 horsepower with that 4-liter flat 6 engine. So this is actually a very well spec'd out GT3RS. So if you walk around with me, you can see, as you can tell, it's got the beautiful, really sought after ultraviolet purple paint on it. And with that purple paint, it actually has a bunch of yellow accents. So you've got the yellow roll cage, you've got the yellow brake calipers with the Porsche carbon ceramic brakes, you've got a bunch of yellow stitching, yellow straps for the door strap, you've got yellow seat belts, and then you also have some yellow bits and pieces around the vehicle, as you can see here with the wing where it says RS 4.0, that's also in yellow. So the yellow is a really nice contrast to this really gorgeous ultraviolet paint. Me personally, this is probably my favorite standard color that Porsche ever made on any of their cars. Yeah, this paint in the sunlight and in the shade just looks amazing. It pops very well, and I think it really fits the 991 GT3RS body style perfect. And if you walk here to the back with me, you can see that this car was optioned with the clear taillights. So for the 2016 year model, you can actually get these cars in either the red, the standard red taillights, or the clear taillights. And this one's got the clear taillights, which really accents the purple a lot more than the red, in my opinion. And then down here, obviously, you've got the Fab Speed Exhaust that shoots crazy flames at night. You know, this thing looks like it's 4th of July with all the pops and bangs that it does. So if you walk over here with me to the driver's side, we're gonna open the door here. You can see that this car does have the carbon bucket seats, and it's got the GT3RS stitched in the seat. So this is one of the most extreme cars that Porsche made as far as a street legal car that is prepared for the track. So this car actually does have the Pilot Sport Cup 2s on it from factory, and on top of that, it also, like I said, has the 7-speed PDK transmission that just really feels seamless when you're out driving it. There's really rarely any delay that you can feel, and it feels like something straight out of an F1 car driving this thing. So the biggest difference between the GT3 and the GT3RS, besides the power differences, is the fact that it has a lot more aero. And this, obviously, the GT3RS is the more track-oriented vehicle, basically a turnkey, ready to go, hit the tracks, hit the mountains, whatever you want to do. But this car does have a factory bigger spoiler than the GT3. You also have vents on the fenders to get better cooling. And from there, you also have the standard roll cage that comes with the car. And then I believe all of the GT3RSs also come with the factory carbon bucket seats. All right, so if I pop the front here, this car not only sounds really good from the outside, it actually has an aftermarket stereo system in it. And if you look inside of the front, it actually has a crazy amp system in here, and it's got lighting that matches pretty much the ultraviolet paint in purple. As you can see here, it's got the purple with the yellow edges right here for the accent to match the rest of the yellow pinstriping and the accents on the rest of the car. Obviously, with the GT3RS, you've got the carbon fiber hood. And yeah, so I would probably argue that this is the most popular and favorite car that we have on the lot. This car's a ton of fun to drive. It's definitely a looker, one of the best looking cars that Porsche has ever made, even to this day. So with that said, I want to know your thoughts on this car. Is this your favorite GT3/GT3RS generation of all time? Definitely a big thumbs up from Porsche for making such a raw and extreme and amazing car from factory. So if you guys enjoyed watching this video, thank you guys for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe, and if there's any other videos you guys would like to see on the channel, go comment down below. We can do a bunch of these on some of our other cool cars on the lot. But for today, we've got the beautiful 991 GT3RS and ultraviolet purple. Let me know what you guys think of that Fab Speed Exhaust, and yeah, thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time.